So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in CapCut. So it's real simple, just follow along. First of all, download the CapCut app on your PC. You can see it looking something like this. So let's open it. On here, you will need to open one of the projects that you're working on. So just import a video through this button right here. Once you've chosen a file, you will see it on here and click the plus sign to add it to your timeline. Now that it's at your timeline and you may not like this aspect ratio, so on here you can see a couple of things. Just select it. So choose the video you want to set up and you will see a preview on the player right here. So underneath you can play that to see how it looks. You can see full, you can see here some other options like zoom, and you can see aspect ratio. So just click on that. And you can see a lot of features and options like original and custom. You can set it up manually. You can see something that it offers like 16:9, 4:3, and some more cinematic aspect ratios. You can see some inverted ratios as well, and you can choose 1:1 if you wish for it to be in a square. So there's a lot of options. You can even add your custom option, and you can check out some for your phone device or tablet or something similar. So these are all the different versions of your aspect ratio, and just choose one of those, and after that make sure to save your progress so it's not removed afterwards. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.